Hate it when you leave. Didn't leave a thing. You had it out on me, making me feel so cold. Afraid of being alone when I'm next to you. You made me feel alive. Now that I'm left without you, let you make me feel. You made me feel. I just made you feel. You feel so good. Did you ever think we were ever a thing? 'Cause you don't make me feel so good. I don't mean to be, don't mean to be rude, but did you ever think when you left me? I stay when you treat me rough. Hold my breath, but it's not enough. I've been so anchored in loving you, I forgot how to. How to leave when you treat me rough. How to breathe in this drowning love. Found your cologne. Reminds me of Greece when you loved me the most. It's too hard to cope. Remember the nights that we spent on the coast. I held on to hope, 'cause I didn't know you would leave me alone. You're watching me go. You're watching me go. I stay awake every night 'cause it hurts how I miss you. But I stay when you treat me rough. Hold my breath, but it's not enough. I've been so anchored in loving you, I forgot how to leave when you treat me rough. How to breathe in this drowning love. When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there. Like the stars had all aligned.
stuff.